Hi there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly write and implement an access control list. So first thing we're doing is we're just checking the connectivity between all of the items, and we can see all the links are green. So, and before this I made sure that everything can ping everything, so yeah, we're good to go there. So what we need to do is we need to write an ACL. And we're going to do that when we're on, I think it wants us to do it on the Edge 1 router, and then it needs to be implemented. Okay, so we're going to go ahead here onto Edge 1 and we're going to pop into the CLI. See, and the one we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get the interface from the outside, which is serial 000 interface, which we are going to apply this ACL to there because it's going to control all inbound traffic and set it up that way. So first thing we need to do is get into here and configure terminal, and then we need to go ahead and it wants us to give us an IP access list of 100, and in the book anything from 1 to 99 is a standard, anything past 99 is an extended, so we got to make sure we say so. IP access list extended 100. Okay, I think there's actually supposed to be a dash in between access list. There we go. Alright, so the first thing it wants us to do is deny all web traffic from any source on the 10.10 network. So we need to do that by typing in deny TCP, because that's the type of traffic, any traffic, or from any source, because that's the source, on the 10.0.10.0, and then with the /24 network we have 0.0.0.255, and it's going to equal, and it wants us to use the actual name of the port rather than the number, so we're going to use www, and then we need to do deny TCP. It wants us to do for FTP and telnet traffic. So what you can actually do is hit up, it'll bring you up your last command, and just take away that last port designation, because we're just going to do FTP, and then press up one more time and do telnet. Boom. And now what it wants us to do is permit TCP traffic from any source to any inside destination if the traffic has been established from an inside address originally. And the way you write that out is permit TCP any established. And then the next one we need to do is for both of them, for ICMP, is permit an echo reply to reach any inside destination from any source, and permit unreachable messages to reach any inside destination from any source. So we can again use that command twice. So we're going to use ICMP any echo reply, and then we're going to do permit ICMP any unreachable. And yeah, and like I said before, you can hit the up button and it would bring up your last command and just delete echo reply and put unreachable in. And then it wants us to deny all other traffic. The easiest one here is deny IP any. Boom. Alright, so now that we have that set up, we need to go ahead and apply it to an interface, and after investigating, like I said, we need the serial 000 interface on the inward direction. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to exit out of here, and then we're going to do int serial 0/0/0, boom, and then we're going to do IP access group 100 on the inbound. Alright, so that's in and good to go, and just to verify, we're going to go ahead and do a couple show commands just to see that everything got set up. Alright, so we're on the edge router, we got fast Ethernet 1 or 0, 1, and here's serial 000, and the thing I'm going to highlight, access group in, is set up, and if we scroll down farther we should actually see the list that we set up. And as you can see here, here's the list that we actually set up for the access control list, and A tip to any of you out there watching this, if you're ever unsure of what commands to use to get what you're needing, there's a book called the CCNA Portable Command Guide that will give you any and all commands you would really ever use for a CCNA interface, and it has specific sections for each of the parts: EIGRP, OSPF, access lists, and it tells you how to do each of the commands and what they do. So it's an invaluable tool. I've used it many times, and it always helps me remember ones that I might not be so sure on. So it looks like that everything is set up. So we're going to go ahead and just to make sure we got everything, we're going to go ahead and check the results. And on the results here, it looks like, yep, we got everything set up. Item count 2 out of 2. And just for Don's viewing pleasure, 100% completion on implementing control lists. Alrighty, well, I do thank you for watching my video on drafting up and implementing an access control list in the proper interface as well as the proper direction. I do thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have yourself a great day.